In every moment, we're given a choice, to react or to respond. Reaction is immediate, emotional, unfiltered. It's the instinct to shout when offended, to blame when things go wrong, to panic when plans fall apart. Reactions are driven by impulse, and impulse is the enemy of wisdom. Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength." To respond instead is to pause, to breathe, to observe the situation without judgment. Response is rooted in reason. It asks, what is in my control? What is the wise thing to do? The Stoic doesn't suppress emotion, but sees it clearly, without being ruled by it. Anger, fear, envy, they arise, but the trained mind does not obey them. Training comes through daily reflection, morning journaling, evening examination, practicing discomfort, meditating on death, not to be morbid, but to sharpen our appreciation for life.